Hello again, it's Mrs. Bennett. I am here to show you how you can cite your third source. So I'm logged into my Noodletools account. I'm going to open up my short school week project and I'm going to toggle to that sources tab. I'm going to hit create new source. And for this example, I will help y'all out and I am going to open up that one database article. If your third source is also another website, watch this video definitely because it's a good skill to be aware of how to cite a database, but you may also need to go back to Citing Source B's video for a refresher on how to cite a website, a web page. And so I have opened up the database article and I'm going to say, where is it? It's in a database. And what is it? I told you all yesterday, or the last time that you saw the video, that it's a magazine. And you can see, again, Noodletools is prompting me with different boxes to fill in. And Mrs. Payer and I were also helpful, and we provided you some of the bibliographic information. And again, some you will have to find. So the first thing that Noodletools is asking me for is name of the database. But over here on the right, we have a drop-down box that says My Library or My Library's Databases. And if you look at the very top of this banner, it says Gale in Context Middle School. So we are going to select Gale in Context Middle School. And then we need to provide the URL, which Mrs. Payer and I have also provided you. Oh, that's right, Mrs. Payer and I also gave you the database name right there as well. So we're going to paste in that URL. Most recent date of access is likely today, so go ahead and hit that today link. Then the next chunk of information is about the specific article. So the article's authors, editors, translators, its title, and its page numbers. Very similar to the first citation we did with Scholastic News. And the author is Lucy Schouten. So I will fill that in, Lucy being her first name, and Schouten, I've already forgotten how to spell it, S-C-H, being her last. And then we need the article title. And this is one of those examples where the journalist, or perhaps in this instance, the database, did not follow MLA because we can see that not everything is capitalized. So we're going to copy and paste. And look, Noodletools is giving us that orange or yellowish icon for day. We got to make sure we do our capitalization. Make sure that you also follow punctuation. So see how the article had that hyphen? I am maintaining that hyphen in there. So, all right. So the yellow box is gone. Now pages. I don't believe it's given me the page numbers. It's given me the length, but it hasn't given me the page numbers. So we get to leave that blank. All right. Name of magazine, the Christian Science Monitor. Paste in. Then we're going to look for that volume, issue, or publication information. And it looks like the only thing we have is that publication date, which is September 15th, 2015. September 15th, 2015. And make sure that, because the next box down is the annotation, you don't need to worry about that. Make sure that none of your boxes have those yellow outlines with the yellow triangle with the exclamation point cautioning you that you got something incorrect. And then go ahead and hit that blue save button. And your citations are done. Like I said, if you need to go back and watch the Source B video because you are citing from a website, that is absolutely fine. If you used the database article as your second source and you realize that you made some mistakes, or if as you're citing Source C, you realize maybe you left something out of Source B's citation, instead of deleting off your citation and redoing it, if you click on the right-hand side, you can click on Options and Edit, and that will bring you right back. I'll bring you to this one because that might be where some kiddos made some mistakes. It will bring you right back to the same boxes and you can be editing your work. I'm going to hit cancel because I didn't need to tweak anything. And there you go. You are all done citing all 3 sources. In the next video, I will be showing you how to export, which means to send your works cited page out of Noodletools and into your Google Drive.